Phases of the moon. When we see the moon from the earth, the most important visible except in its enlargement and the reduction. The moon begins from a crescent and develops into a full moon. Thereafter, the moon starts decreasing and there comes a night when the moon is not visible. The night when full moon is visible is called the full moonlight. This decreasing and increasing called the phase of the moon. The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours in revolving round the sun. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. The moon takes 29 days and 8 hours from one full moon to the other full moon. This duration is called known as Chandramas or the moon month. On the basis, the dates of Chandramas moon month are decided in our calendar. Solar eclipse. Here is one question that how do we know that the earth revolves around the sun? When we get up early in the morning, we see that the sun is in the east. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. How do we prove that the earth revolves around the sun? There is an example for this. When we are traveling in a train compartment or in a bus and we looks out of the window, we see that the trees are running very fast. Are the trees runs? No. The trees are situated on that place. But we feel that the trees are running. Our train is going very fast, but we feel that the trees go past. This is the best example for the earth and the moon. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. In ancient time, it was the micro conception that the eclipse are the result of the swallowing down of the sun and the moon by the two demons Rahu and Ketu. Around 1600 years ago, the great Indian astronomer Aryabhatta, revealing the reality, laid down that the solar and the lunar eclipse are caused due to the shadow of the earth and the moon. When the moon revolves around the one, it has to move through its orbit. In those moments, sometimes the moon casts its shadow on the earth. Similarly, sometimes the earth casts its shadow on the moon. When this happens, the eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. The solar eclipse takes place when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The lunar eclipse takes place. The lunar eclipse takes place only on the day of full moon. The solar eclipse takes place when there is no moon. It was the video of solar eclipse and the moon eclipse. This is the end your lesson. You should study your book for this lesson and you should understand this lesson. In the next video we shall in Hindi version, then you can understand the original or the origin of this lesson. Thank you. Congratulations.